NGR number 201792, January 24, 2019. The case revolved around the labor dispute between Wilfredo Ayasas, the petitioner, and his employee, Sea Power Shipping Enterprises Inc. Even International SA and Antoinette Guerrero, the respondent, who was employee as a seafarer, alleged that he was illegally dismissed from his job. He claimed that the termination was not only unjust but also violated the term of his employee contract. As a result, the sought compensation in the form unpaid salaries and other monetary and benefits that be believed were owed to him due to the nature of his dismissal. The central issue before the Supreme Court was to determine whether dismissal was indeed illegal, as he claimed, or whether it was justified under the circumstance presented by respondent. The case required the court to the evidence, including the employment contract, the reason for the dismissal, and whether due process was followed by employer. After careful consider the Supreme Court rule for the respondent, the court found the dismissal was lawful and that the respondent has acquit the right as employee. The termination was carried out accordance with the term of the employment contract and applicable labor law, was not entitled to unpaid salary and other benefits, as his claimer found to be disrolling the importance of adhering to contractual obligation and legal procedure in employment relationship, particularly in the context of the high regulate marine industry. Also underscore the need for employees to present clear and convincing evidence when allowing wrongful dismissal and seeking compensation. The decision serves as a reminder that while employees have right, those rights must be balanced against the legitimate interests and right of employers to manage their workforce, especially in industry where strict compliance with the rule and regulation is essential. Using the Virtue framework for ethical decision making. The Virtue framework focus in the character and moral worth and the individual involved in decision making. To apply this framework to the case, evaluate whatever the action taken by employers were just did provide with the fair treatment and was dismissal based on a balanced assessment of this performance and behavior. Did they follow process? Consider whether the decision of dismiss was made is fairness, where the same standard applied to all employee, and was the decision free from bias of favoritism. Did have opportunity to defend himself. Reflect on whatever the employer and show compassion in their decision. Could they have considered personal circumstance or provide support resorting to dismissal? Was there an alternative to termination that could have been more human? Analyze the integrity of the parties involved. Did the employers act honestly and transparently? The process did main integrity in the conduct, the performance. Also, whatever the decision maker exercise prudence in making wise and carefully decision that consider the long-term impact on both and the organization.